So here we have a box of all our old instructions when we were little, and I've decided to go through them and try and rebuild them. We've got various spaced theme sets, we've got Star Wars sets to rebuild, castle, more castles, Harry Potter, Lego City. In here kept all the old instructions for various football sets that Lego have released over the last 20 years. What's in here? Vintage sets. That'll be fun to build. Got the castle as well. This actually was one of my favourite Lego sets when I was little. It's the air show. We've got alien spaceships, more racing cars, and fire related sets. I think this is going to take quite a while, but stay tuned, keep viewing if you want to see the progress, and comment if you have any of these sets as well.